Hey guys! So today we're doing a very exciting video and a very sneaky video. Busting in on Mia's filming room, kind of trying to surprise her. She always does such fun, nice things for us. So we're just gonna, while she's away, take this opportunity to go into her room and hopefully surprise her with decorating her room up, because as you'll see, she hasn't had time. She's been so busy worrying about and fussing on everyone else that she hasn't done her own room. So we're gonna try and surprise her and see if we can get this done for her. So anyways, stay tuned. It's very amateur, but we're gonna try and like copy what she does. Okay, so wish us luck. Bye-bye. I'm shopping by myself. I'm really lost without Mia here helping me, so this is what I have so far. I realize how much I rely on her to help me pick stuff, so anyways, I hope she likes some of this. Anyways, I think it's really fun and very, very cute, so I hope she likes it too. Hey guys, so I got out of the store. It's starting to blizzard a little bit, but the back seat is like full of room decor. Pretty excited about it. I don't know if it's gonna be totally Mia's style or if she's gonna think something pink just like exploded in her room, but I love it, so I hope she will too. And yeah, I'll touch back later. Bye-bye. Here's a quick before of Mia's room. It's, you know, it's fine. She's got a white bedspread. She hasn't spent a lot of time getting it set up or anything. She has some curtains. She's using a chair for her bedside table. She's got her curtain rod there that she hasn't put on yet. And then if we turn around, we have a fan and then her little closet with clothes and shoes kind of on the floor around there. We have a lamp in here because we started to remove the light fixture. It's not like she needs to have a room makeover. We just think it would be really nice to do this for her because she spends a lot of time doing this for everyone else. She has not taken the time to do her own, so we wanted to do that for her. So anyways, it's just kind of an extra thing that we think is fun. Lots of the things we're going to be putting together she already has bought, but she just has them in boxes, and we're just going to assemble things and a few things we picked up, so we'll touch back a little bit later. Ready, Dad, to start? We got the light, the electrician on the light fixture here, and this is a light fixture that Mia actually had done for her brother and his wife. So
already done one.
You've done one. You're good at it. So let's get rolling.
They tied these, all of these in a bow.
Wow. Always so much recycling.
Oh my gosh.
Yay! And that one goes up. So here's the light. It is beautiful. Yeah, good work, Dad. It's awesome. The right height,
Good
I think.
work to you too, Mom.
Aw, thanks. I think it's beautiful. Okay, guys, so now we have the beautiful light fixture up. We're going to like dismantle the bed, put up the nightstand, but we have some wallpaper we're gonna put up. And this is something that Mia had picked out, but she just hasn't put it up or anything. Her bedroom is just like bare bones. We're just sprucing it up for her. So let's just see how that wallpaper will go, and we'll figure out where the bed's gonna go. So it's a very small room. How big would you say this room is?
Ooh, 10 by 11 maybe?
10 by 11.
12.
Yeah, so there's not a lot of room. It's a double bed, so there'll be room for a nightstand, and you know, we just have a little chair and a little table. So we'll kind of make the best out of the space we have with this room. Mia, I think you should have a real bedside table. This is a nightstand that Mia had bought already, and just don't set it on here yet. I feel like it's a little bit of amateur hour. That's all better now. Okay, are you tired, Dad? Okay. So now with this wallpaper, oh my, it's different than I expected. She showed me the wallpaper, but
It's what?
it's wallpaper.
No, it's what than you expected.
It's different than I expected.
Really? Weird.
We've never opened it, so I don't know if she saw it in real. And I think
Does it just peel?
I think it's peel and stick.
Oh, that's good.
Well, yeah, I think it should be pretty decent, actually.
Still gotta cut it though.
Oh, look how beautiful! Isn't that? Hold it up to the camera. Can you tip it? Look, it's so pretty. We are gonna try and put up this wallpaper. So, wish us luck. Dad is putting together this nightstand. And be careful, I think it might be all mirrors. The nightstand.
Mirrors?
Yeah, so just be so careful when you're
crazy
opening.
house is it?
I know, it's a house of mirrors. So we got this kind of started here, so I'm gonna just keep peeling off the back. Yeah, so if anybody's ever looking for wallpaper to put up, this pre-pasted wallpaper that you just roll out and stick on is so easy. There, so we have the wallpaper almost done. Wow, what a cute pattern. Okay, so we got the curtains hung up, but we just have to stitch the outer edge, the outer curtain onto them because the glue wouldn't work. And now we're gonna roll in with the rug and we're gonna place it under the bed where the bed's gonna go. Yeah, that'll be fun.
It's not right here.
What?
With your legs.
Oh, gee.
Getting that? Hopefully we're getting that.
This leg is wrong. Just testing you, seeing if you knew that. So we have this little table, this chair thing, the light, and then we have the bedding, and we have...
What light? Oh, that light.
And we have a mirror. These are the main things. And then this shelf.
Go like this.
I'll get a hammer. This is kind of a neat fabric. It's a duvet cover. It's all natural, sustainable bedding. It's made from recycled jeans. So that's what this is, recycled jeans. So it feels really nice and soft. It feels like linen, actually. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna call it. We're pretty dang tired. It's
10 to 10.
And we haven't had supper and we're tired a little bit. So
what are we gonna eat?
We have, I don't know.
McDonald's?
Maybe. Maybe a Blizzard
Dairy
again.
Queen Blizzard.
But anyways,
3 nights in a row.
what do you think of the room so far?
I think it's really cute.
Yeah, I think it's very cute
It would
too.
be nice to have one more foot wider.
Mm-hmm, yeah.
But hey, it's still a cool little room, and
Yeah.
and Mia likes cozy. This will work for
it's
her.
gonna be cozier than what she's used to in here, that's for sure.
I love that light. That light is so bright.
Yeah,
I
it's
love
really
brightness.
nice. Yeah.
So good.
Anyways, we'll catch you again tomorrow. We'll put the finishing touches on.
Yep.
And yeah, it's all coming together. Thanks, Dad.
See you tomorrow.
Woo. Okay guys, So this wall behind me.
For anyone wondering, don't be alarmed by my mom's black eye. She hit herself in the face with a music stand, and she's okay.
If you saw the footage last night, pictures were falling down. The wall is all marked up. I don't really like the pictures that I picked for up there, so now I'm gonna do a little crack filling and repair of this wall, and then run out and try and find some different pictures and print up some pictures for in the frame. So we are taking a step back, repairing, and then we'll start again. Okay? All right, the damage is covered. Now we're gonna head out and get some different pictures. Okay, so we're gonna try again. The paint is dry. We have a fresh new wall to try again. We're gonna try and hang up this nice grid thing, and then we'll print up some pictures to put in. So here we go. So I just got a couple more little decorations to set around onto the tables and that, so I'll do that now while the shelf is getting hung up. It'll be really interesting to see if she can make a video out of this. Some cute little doorknobs. Hopefully that'll fit in Mia's closet door. Got this little doorknob on, so that looks really cute. Okay, so now we're gonna finish hanging the rest of the pictures here. We're gonna just hang them with nothing in the frames, but then at least we'll know where they're gonna go.
Yeah, hopefully we'll have the pictures by tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Yay! We did it! Mia will be getting home tomorrow night. She has no idea what's happening. So yeah, we'll talk to you guys later. So here we are finishing up, just putting the finishing touches on the room. Yeah, Mia and her little waffle junior.
And Mia and her favorite buddy Scoop.
Aww.
Did you wipe these lights?
No, I'm gonna wipe them. Aww, this is just personalizing this room so much. Yeah, like the funner pictures, I was thinking of putting like hanging up. So,
like on here?
So which one do you think would be the best one for now in this? That's the last big frame we have.
Well, for sure the one of me and Mia.
Which one?
Both.
I think you
I
and
gotta
her
give
together.
a close up of this.
Aww.
This is such a cute picture. Look at those guys. The apples of my eye.
It is such a good picture. Aww. Look at those eyes.
Okay, we gotta get selective here.
Aww, that looks really good.
Right on. I gotta go over to Alfonso's place.
Mia is en route home. So then next thing we're gonna do is touch back. So no one's gonna bring her up. She's just gonna happen into her room on her own. So any final words, Dad?
Hope she likes it.
Yeah, what's not to love, honestly. It looks
super cute.
Yes, we've got all these pictures like so. Okay, you guys, so Mia's on her way home from the airport. I'm very excited to see what she thinks of her room. We're gonna have the camera set up in there. We're just gonna let her come up there naturally on her own. I really hope that we don't have to try too hard to get her up there because she'll suspect something for sure. So when I know she's pulled into the parking lot, I'm gonna run the camera up and then hopefully she'll go up to her room. But here's hoping that she loves it. Like I said before, we wanted to do something for her. Lots of these things that were already inspired by things that she wanted to do but just hasn't taken the time to do for herself. And like I said before, she's been fussing over everyone else. So we wanted to do something for her too because she often puts herself last and we just want her to have a comfy room too. So anyways, here's hoping she loves it. We love her. We hope she loves it as much as we love her. Anyways, touch back later. Okay, they're like 3 minutes away, so the camera's on. Very excited. We have a little dog here that is excited too, Hades. Okay, let's go. Let's go, Hades. You don't have to leave any surprises here. Here's hoping she likes it. Very excited. Hello? What the frig? What?
Oh my god.
You're always doing for everyone and we wanted to surprise you.
Oh my gosh.
We've been busy. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, it
looks. Thank you.
We knew you were gonna do it yourself, but we thought you've been doing for everyone else. We wanted to surprise you, even though we knew you were gonna do
It literally looks like exactly what I want.
Really?
Yes, thank you. I love my room. I love my room. Alright guys, so this has been the conclusion of the video. I had no idea what was happening. I definitely literally on the way home today I was like talking about how we were gonna do this, renovate this room, like upscale this room
But
week.
We've been hearing about that for quite some time and it never keeps happening. So Dad and I took matters into our own hands and thought, you do so much for us and you've redone our room and your grandparents' room and so many people's rooms that we're like, Mia, we want you to now have a nice decorated bedroom. And it's not like a need or anything because you had a cozy bed and you were, everything was already nice, but we just wanted to put a little bit of time and effort into doing what you do for us and so many people. So we hope you like it. You deserved it. And
I really, really love it. Like seriously, this is better than anything that I could have done in here. Like I was not gonna, I don't know why, I just never thought to put the bed in the middle. I wasn't gonna put that there. I was gonna put stuff here. Like you guys did really, really good. And I don't know, there's something about doing renovations for someone else. Like I wasn't super excited to do my own room. As much as I wanted my room like redone, I like felt like I just kept pushing it back and back and back because I want to keep renovating other people's
That's
rooms.
because you have such a big heart. We know that about you already. So aww.
Dad. Dad's just sitting here. He wants
How
to,
could I possibly say anything with you two yapping?
he wants to watch TV and we're like, come be in the review. Come upstairs.
I love you just as much.
Thank you.
Actually more. I loved you more.
Oh no! No. Yeah, there's so
feel
many
so much
details. I hope you guys got into it because like even these drapes back here are like, they have these little pearls on them. It's very cute.
Honestly, Mia, the filming wasn't perfect.
You'll see it's a little choppy. But these, I'm excited to see how this recycled denim jean blanket
that's so
feels.
cool.
Like, who would have thought this is recycled jeans?
No, I love it.
Don't you love this?
I hope you don't,
Don't you
wake
love
up.
this
This is
braided?
the one I bought.
Yeah, she already had
Oh,
that.
you bought that one?
Yeah, I got this on Etsy. It's handmade.
That is so cool.
You put the yarn on your arms and they do the big,
We gotta
like
learn.
their arms are knitting needles.
We gotta learn how to knit
That's how you
like
do
that.
it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for planning this video and doing this for me.
My pleasure.
I'm honestly a little confused, but I'm very excited and happy about it. And yeah, we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!